In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from VS Code to Cursor and import your settings. We'll move smoothly from your existing VS Code setup into Cursor so everything feels familiar right away, and you can take advantage of Cursor's built-in AI features without losing the environment you love. First, download and install the separate Cursor application from the official website. Choose the installer for your operating system and run it like any other app. When the installer finishes, open Cursor. If your system asks for permissions to run a downloaded app, go ahead and allow it. Keeping the installer from the official site ensures you're getting the most recent stable build. Once Cursor is open, head straight to Settings. The quickest way is with the shortcut CMD/Control+, which works on both macOS and Windows. Inside Settings, navigate to the General or Account section. Either is fine depending on your version. If you're unsure where to look, use the Settings search bar and type Import. The goal here is simply to get to the area where Cursor manages imports. Now find the VS Code Import button and click it. This one action transfers your extensions, themes, settings, and key bindings into Cursor. It's designed to mirror your VS Code environment so you can keep your habits and muscle memory. Give it a moment if you have a lot of extensions. The process may take a little time. After the import completes, check your theme and a couple of key bindings to confirm they match what you expect. If something looks off, you can revisit the import option and run it again. With your configuration in place, open your projects in Cursor just as you normally would. From here on, it should feel like VS Code, but you'll notice Cursor's AI enhancements immediately. Inline autocomplete will suggest code right where you're typing, helping you move faster with fewer keystrokes. For deeper assistance, open the code-based chat with CMD+L. This lets you ask questions about your project, get explanations, or generate code in context. The first time you open a large project, Cursor may quietly index files to make the chat and autocomplete smarter. You can keep working while that happens. That's all there is to it. Install Cursor, open settings with CMD/Control+, import from VS Code, and then continue your work inside Cursor. You'll keep the look and feel you already know, plus gain powerful AI support whenever you want it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy coding in Cursor.